Hi, this is Spencer from Prime Mercedes in Scarborough, Maine. Behind me is a very exciting vehicle. This is a 2019 C63 AMG. AMG vehicles are very special. They have a hand-built engine up front. In this case, it's a 4-liter bi-turbocharged V8, produces 469 horsepower, 479 pound-feet of torque. Absolutely phenomenal. It's a ballistic vehicle. This is a graphite Designo Gray Magno. It's a matte paint, absolutely stunning. This is like a Batmobile. We have the night package up front, so all of our chrome on this front lip is blacked out, and along with our 20-inch forged wheels, it pulls together this beautiful combination of matte black and gloss black. Our window trim and our door mirrors are also covered in black along the bottom there. And as we come along to the rear of the vehicle, we have wraparound LED taillights. Something really special about this car: along the side and on the rear, you'll notice a lack of badging. This vehicle has everything debadged. Black exhaust tips down there on the bottom, along with that under tray. It altogether culminates a very aggressive, very dark, very sporty look. As we come along to the interior, you'll see that black style continues. We have a open grain wood trim, AMG performance seats, dynamic suede options mixed in with your Napa leather. Beautiful set of options. Let's hop in, take a closer look. Now we're inside the C63. We can get a closer look at the model year differences for 2019. There's been a few changes in the vehicle, really modernizes the cabin a lot, and right away some things you're going to notice is the steering wheel setup. So up front here, we have our cruise control settings have now been moved to the steering wheel, as well as our volume controls similar in place. But what's really cool is our new switches for our traction control, our AMG performance exhaust system, which is an optional extra included with this vehicle, as well as our dynamic control. So you can switch from comfort, sport, sport plus, and a new slippery mode. So there is a bad weather rain driving mode for the vehicle. You'll see it come up there. It reduces the engine power, changes up the suspension feel, really gives the vehicle a whole new use in bad weather. So as we take a tour around the dealership, I'm going to go over some other new features on the vehicle. What you will notice is a different screen for the C-Class in 2019. The C63 in particular has our upgraded screen, as well as your full LCD display for your speedometer and tachometer. So it's a full screen up here up front as well. This particular vehicle also comes equipped with your head-up display, so you won't be able to see it on the camera, but what I'm looking at right now is showing me my speed, my navigation, my destination. All of that's displayed up on the windshield for easy vision. A fantastic vehicle. Like an AMG car, like I said, has a hand-built V8 engine, so only one Mercedes-Benz employee works on that engine. If he has a sick day or he has to leave for a vacation, that engine gets put aside, and he is the only one that puts his hands on it during production. This vehicle, like I said, 2019, brand new here at the dealership. We're located in Scarborough, Maine. We're just south of Portland. We're about 90 minutes from Boston. This vehicle is available for shipment to 48 states. All across the country we can ship the vehicle. We're very used to doing business and all over the area. So if you have any other questions about this vehicle or any available vehicles here in our inventory, I'm happy to answer that for you. My name is Spencer. You can call me right on my cell phone. It's 207-210-4796, or if you'd like, you could email me. My email is sroe, that's SROE, @driveprime.com. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.